Okay, students, the most important aspects of today's lesson is how will you convert a recurring decimal into fraction. See, children, what is given in your book, no? That way, if you don't solve, if you can by heart a formula, then it will be very easy and it won't take much time. I will advise you and I will teach you in that procedure only. You need to remember one formula through which if you solve recurring decimal can be very nicely converted into fraction. Listen carefully and do not leave the class till I finish it. Now children, what has happened, the formula says, what is the formula? What is the aspects you are going to learn? Recurring decimals into fraction. Recurring decimals, how will you convert into fraction? See, the formula is recurring decimal into fraction. Formula is the whole number. The formula will really sound to you very difficult, but when you put into implementation to solve the sums, things will be very easy and you will understand and you will like it. Definitely you will give me, sir, it's a good formula, that comment. Okay, let us see what is the formula. The whole number obtained in order, whatever the whole number is there, obtained in order, arranging the digits. Here the whole number obtained will be 3. 03 means 3. Without any decimal point, without any recurring dot or bar. But of course 03 means 3. Whole number first is, the formula says the numerator part will be the whole number obtained in order minus the whole number of non-recurring digit. Minus the whole number of non-recurring digit. In this recurring decimal, is there any non-recurring digit? Yes, it is there, 0. But minus 0 means same. So 3 minus 0. What has come? This has come as whole number in order. That means 03. That means 3. You can write down 3. Minus non-recurring decimal digits in order. So non-recurring. This is recurring. Where the dot, recurring dot is there or recurring bar is there, that part is recurring digit. So this is whole number obtained without recurring digit. So here 0. So 3 minus 0. That is the numerator. Numerator is over. See how much lengthy I have written, but operation you see. So whole number obtained, arranging all the digits in order minus the non-recurring digits in order, that whole number. Okay. Now denominator will be what? Divided by 10 to the power the digits after decimal point. See, 10 to the power, 10 is the formula 10. 10 to the power digits after decimal point. After decimal point, how many number of digits? 1. Here only one number of digit, that is 3. So 10 to the power 1 minus 10 to the power number of decimal digit do not recur. Number of decimal digit do not recur. 10 to the power number of decimal digit do not recur. Is there any decimal digit which is not recurring? No. So in that case 10 to the power 0. So anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. You know that. So now what has happened? This will become like 10 to the power 0 it is. So next line you can write down 3 minus 0, that is 3, divided by 10 to the power 1 means 10, minus anything to the power 0 is equal to 1, that minus 1. So the answer will come like 10 to the power 3 by 9, which is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 will be the answer. You see, 1 by 3 is the answer. Did you understand it? Okay, let us do this one solution. So whole number in order. So this one, whole number in order will be what? 0, 1, 3, that is 13. That is numerator. Then minus the whole number of the non-recurring digits in order. So here is the recurring digit starts. So these two, 0, 1, that is 1. 13 minus 1 is the numerator, divided by 10 to the power number of decimal digit 1, 2. After point, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So 10 to the power 2 minus the 10 to the power what? non-recurring, I mean 10 to the power, the decimal digit would denote, whole number part you will say, decimal digit which is not recurring. How many digits? Number of decimal digit which is not recurring, that is one digit. 1 is not recurring, 10 to the power 1. So what has happened here? 12 by, here is 100 minus 10 square means 100 minus 10 to the, anything to the power 1 means the same value, 12 by 90. If you solve it, 12 by 90, it will go with 2, that is 6 by 45. Again it will go with 6 by 45. Again it will go with 3. Then 2 by 15. Isn't it? 2 by 15 will be your answer. Yes, 2 by 15 is the answer. Could you understand me? Things are not easy. You don't have to write down the statement. You are multiplying that one with x. You are taking x, then multiplying with 10. Multiply 10 or 100 or like this. You don't have to. See, the things are easy. You need to by heart. See this one. I will tell you first all the digits in order. 0, 1, 7. That means 17. Is it not 17? Yes, it is 17. All the digits. 0, 1, 7 means 17 only. 0 to the left hand side number. Minus the non-recurring digits in order. No non-recurring digits in order. That is 0. Divided by 10 to the power what? How many decimal digits are there? 2. Minus how many decimal digit does not recur? There is no. So 10 to the power 0. So 17 by 100 minus 1, which is equal to 17 by 99. That is the answer. Could you understand me? Okay, let us do other one also. Second one also very nicely we can do it. What is given to you? The sum is 0.6 and recurring dot 6 is 6 digit is recurring. So whole number in order 06 minus whole number which is not recurring, that in order, that is 0, divided by 10 to the power how many decimal digit? 1 decimal digit, minus how many digit is not recurring? Decimal digit how many is not recurring? No, that means 0. So it will become 6 by 10 minus 1, that is 6 by 9, which is equal to 2 by 3. That is answer. You just check, it will be definitely 2 by 3. I hope you have understood it. Will you want to do the remaining? I have done all the sums of this exercise. So what is the formula? Whole number in order. All the leaving the point, leaving the recurring dots or recurring bar, all the number in order you write down, minus the whole number which does not recur. Means where the recurring bar or dot is not there, before that all the numbers in order. What number it will form that? That will be the numerator. Whole number altogether digit arranging, what whole number it is forming, minus the non-recurring digits whole number means what whole number is forming, that will be the numerator, divided by 10 to the power number of decimal digit. How many decimal digits are there? That you see, minus 10 to the power decimal digit which does not recur. So that many decimal digit. If nothing is recurring, then 10 to the power 0. Then if you calculate, it will be very easy to find out the answer. Learn this procedure. Difficult if any, talk to me in my personal WhatsApp.